Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make kabocha pudding. It's flan using kabocha squash. It's my family's favorite and kabocha is in the best season now, so I'm making it like every weekend. Very easy to make. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. Kabocha squash. It's about 300 grams. You don't need to be super precise. It can be a little over 300 or a little less than 300. 3 eggs, 100 milliliter of heavy cream, 200 milliliter of milk, 6 tablespoons of sugar for the flan part, and 6 tablespoons of sugar for the caramel part. I'm making the caramel first. I'm using this pot as a mold, so I'm making it in the pot. But if you don't have a pot that you can put in the oven, make it separately, then put in the mold that you're using. 6 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water. Turn the heat on and cook it until it's caramelized and dark browned. Once it's browned like this, turn the heat off and add 1 tablespoon of water. It will become like a lava, so be careful not to burn yourself. Just let it sit and cool down to room temperature. Now, the flan part. Cut off here and here. And peel the skin. Cut into small pieces. Put in the bowl that you can microwave. Put about a teaspoon of water. No need to measure it, just eyeball it. Cover it and microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 7 minutes at 600 watts and it's completely cooked. And the water is all gone. Let's put it in the food processor. Add sugar, the eggs, little bit of the milk. Mix well. If your food processor is big enough to put all the milk and heavy cream, you can put them all in and skip the rest of the process. Let's put the mixture in a large bowl. Rest of the milk and heavy cream. Mix it well. Then into the mold. I'm going to bake this in a hot bath, so prepare some hot water. Dunk the mold and bake 180 degrees Celsius. Baked for an hour. To see if it's baked or not, press in the middle. If it bounces back, that means it's baked. Let's cool it down to room temperature, then chill in the fridge overnight. The flan I baked yesterday is completely chilled, nice and firm, so let's serve. Put something long and thin around the edge. Put a plate upside down. Then flip it over. Cut as much as you like. Serve on the plate. And enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.